Good morning, my dear. I hope you all are fine. Students, today I'm going to discuss the next part of MS Excel. First, what is AutoSum? Next one, embedding chart in a worksheet, inserting worksheet in MS Excel, printing worksheet in MS Excel. So one by one, I am going to discuss, my dear. First of all, what is AutoSum? Students, first of all, you have to know what is AutoSum. Here, neither you use the formula nor the function. Only you have to click on button after selecting the cell. When you will click on that button, you will be getting the result displayed in the next cell. If you are going in the horizontal way, then at the right side. If you are going in vertical way, the result will be shown at the bottom. Like I'm showing here, I have the record of these students. Okay, you can see it on the screen. Now I want this sum, this all sum to be done. You can use formula or function, but there is other way also to find out your sum. You will go to the home tab. There you will see the editing. There you will see editing. First, I will select these all cells. I will go to home and then auto sum. Now you can see my sum of these all ranges have come at the bottom. If suppose leave this one, I'm going to delete this. I want the sum of these all values. Select it, go to auto sum. What happened? Your values, your sum has been shown to the next cell. Yes, in the horizontal fashion I have selected, so in the next cell, that is the right cell, and when I have selected this all in the vertical fashion, then it has shown to the next cell. That means next to that last cell, this one. Now, the next part, that is chart. You know, chart is very, very important. It is a pictorial representation of your data. Just you see, if I want to see who has got the minimum marks, which student has got the minimum marks in Hindi, it will be quite easy for me to check it here. It will be quite easy to check in Hindi who has got less marks. But suppose you are having your data, yes, of not 8 students, having 50 students, then it will be quite difficult for you. So at that time, your chart can help you. Now, just I'm going to work on these two students. Okay, let me remove these all. Only these two students. One is Aditya and other one is Aditya Dhanraj. So first select these cells, go to the insert tab. Okay. And now you will see charts, recommended charts. You click on this. Now there you will have one more tab, all chart. Click on all chart. See, a list of charts will appear on the screen, but you have to be selective. You cannot select the pie chart. You cannot select the radar chart. These are not the good chart for these data. You can use either the line chart, column chart. That is a better, my dear. Okay. I'm going to take the column chart. Okay. Now, after selecting this, click on OK. Now you can see, my dear, the chart has already appeared Yes, in your seat. But this is embedded with my what? With my seat. But I want additional, yes, tab for my chart. Just now you can watch it. Here it is only showing the seat, but I want additional chart tab. That is chart, it will be shown, chart 1 will be shown on my seat tab. Then in that case, yes, you have to select this and then go for the F11. Now, what happened, my dear? When I use F11, I got a separate tab named as chart 1. You can see at the seat tab, it is coming chart 1. Now you can work individually with this one, but you want to do the embedding on your seat, then no need to use shift 11. Simple way you can do it. So I'm going to remove this chart. Clear? Now I want to work in the same fashion. Go to insert, chart, all chart, and then the column chart. Now I will be discussing some other topics, my dear. Okay. Now, suppose I have done this work. Okay. Wait. I have done this work. And in this, I have selected my range where? Till which last cell? K3. You can see K3 till here. But I want my source, the source to be changed or my destination to be changed. You cannot do it. What you will do, you will go to select data. Here you can see in the data group, you will see select data. Click on that one. Now, when you will click on this one, you will see this data source. Now, my data source will be okay. Starting is okay, but it should be not up to K3. It should be up to K4. I want one more student's data to be added. And then, okay. See, now how many students' data is flashing over there? 3 students. So like this, you can change it. Now, the next part, I'm going to work with the elements of a chart. Okay. Now, for that, I will again go to the design. Here, I will go to the design one and I will select add chart element from the chart layout. Now, one by one, I am going to show you. First one is the axis title. Axis also you can use it. Main topic I am going to explain. Now, where you want, horizontally you want or vertically, you can see the axis title. Now, I want horizontally. Okay, then horizontally, and here you can define your axis title, whatever you want to define. Understood? I want here, sorry, deleted, wait. Name of subjects. Okay, you can do it. It is up to you, my dear. Yes. Same way you can go for the vertical also. Vertical will be having what? Marks. So you can write marks. It is up to you. Now, the next one, chart title. What is chart title? That means this is the summary. That means by which any user can understand that this chart is of which one. So I want this chart title to be changed. It should have standard 9 result. So anyone can understand, oh, this is the chart of standard 9 student. Clear? Now, some more I am going to discuss. Now, data level. Now, you want the values to be displayed in English. Yes, what the marks? Yes. So you want that one to be, then you can do it. See, Aditya, it is showing here. Aditya has got in English, you can see it. Aditya has got in English 78. Okay. Now I want 78 to be displayed. Yes, not only of Aditya Dhanraj, who has got 88. No, 11 in English, that also to be shown. Abhishek Raj, who has got 64 in English, that also the value to be shown. In such case, what you will do? You will have to select the data level. And now, in which direction? Center, you can use. Inside, yes, base, wherever you want. No, I want outside. Now, you can see everyone bar has its own value, and by which you can understand that that student has got what marks in that subject. Okay. Now the next part. Now you want that this table which is shown here, you can see this table which is here, this table to be shown here also here. Then in that case, you have to select data table, and if you want that with legend, then you can use. Without legend, then no legend you use. Now you can see your chart also has been shown, as well as your table from where I selected my source and destination. Now the next part. Now error bar is not grid lines. Now you want the minor values to be shown in x-axis, y-axis, or horizontal way, vertical way. You can do it. You can see it. You can see it, my dear. You can see this is my horizontal way. Yes, this is my vertical way. You can see all are showing. Watch it. Let me increase the size. Now you can watch it. Now you can see you have your grid lines. Yes, minor horizontally and minor vertically. You can see when I will zoom it, you can understand it. Now you watch it. Watch this one. This is my minor one, and I want the vertical one also. You can see these are the vertical lines. You can see it. These are the vertical lines. Understood? And these are the horizontal. So nearest value you can find out from there. Now the next part, that is my legend. You know which one is legend? Just now you see it. This is my legend. This one. Where I want to place this one. Understood? That you can do it by the help of legend option. Okay, right? Now it is showing right side. Now it has been shifted from here to here. Got it? So these all are the elements of a chart. Now the next part, that is, yes, inserting worksheet. Yes, you all are knowing how to insert it. Click the right mouse button, choose insert, and then select the sheet, and then okay, your sheet has come. And how to print it? Yes, you go to file, click on print one. Now there you can know. Yes, if it is the chart, then chart. If you want no chart to be not printed, then you click inside, go to file, print. Now your sheet will be printed. So how you want, if you have, listen, there is no concept of page number. There you have your dotted lines, you see. Just let me remove first this. Now, let me have these all things copied again, then you can understand it. Now, you can watch, my dear. There it is showing the sections. Watch it. Now you can watch it carefully. This dotted line, this one dotted line, it is showing that end of this one, first section. You see? Now you want to see it nicely. Wait. Let me decrease the size. And now file, print. Now you can watch it. What the sections that are covered here. You see, only till computer and up to Abhishek Raj, you will have your data displayed in the first section. Now, see, up to computer. So it shows that moral science and GK is of other section. But if you want anyhow to adjust it, then what you will do it? You will go to the file. Here you have the print section. Now, here you can change your margins. I want no, it should be not portrait, landscape. You can do it. So I want the margins, top margin, bottom margin to be changed. You can do it. And as per that, you can set your data nicely on a section. And as per that, you can print all your sections, yes, result, yes, using the printer. I hope you have understood these all topics, my dear. Thank you, my dear.